Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about Steam region changing. So why do people want to change their Steam region? Well, it's just because there are some regions that offer very cheap prices for the games than the rest. Argentina region, for example. If you compare the prices with other regions, it has the lowest price. So before, changing Steam region was easy and free. All you needed was just a VPN and you could simply change your region to any region you wanted. But Steam launched a new policy this year. They don't allow VPN to change regions anymore. So in order to change Steam region now, you have to have credit cards from that region. So if I want to change my Steam region to Argentina, I'll need a credit card from Argentina that uses Argentinian currency. So where do I find an Argentinian credit card? I'm making this video as an answer to that question. I'll link a Discord server in the description down below. They do region changing service for a little bit of money. They accept PayPal and all the other payment methods. As it requires a card and they're gonna use their personal credit cards to change your region, you will have to pay some amount of money in order to change it. I have changed my own region to Argentina yesterday, thanks to them. They have a lot of reviews from other people that have used their service as well. So if you want to change your region to Argentina, join the Discord server, text the admin and they're gonna help you with whatever that you need. It's unfortunate that it isn't free, but it's definitely worth it because you're about to save a lot of money. Keep in mind, after changing the region, do not use your personal credit card to top up your Steam. It's just gonna switch it back to your region. Always use Steam wallet codes. And if you have any type of questions, feel free to text me on Discord. I'll leave my Discord server out there as well. Steam Winter Sale is starting today, so you might want to change your region before you buy games. And yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.